Do you want to make a difference in the world? If so, I can help you. Hello, I'm Roger Killen. In 2013, I produced the first TEDx Stanley Park event. Since then, I've spent over 10,000 hours supporting experts make a difference in the world with their fresh ideas. This experience has convinced me that the likelihood of an idea flying or dying is strongly influenced by 4 drivers. These are the idea itself, your ability to reach audiences, your ability to impact the audiences that you do reach, and your resources. Let's examine the third of these drivers, your ability to impact the audiences that you do reach. This driver is all about your ability to describe and distribute your idea with such impact that people take notice and take action. 7 impactors form a checklist to help you judge if you have the impact you need or if you have more work to do in this area. These impactors form the acronym PINHEAD. The first impactor is being a fervent promoter of your idea. You leverage your efforts with the support of influencers, and you vigorously, consistently, and astutely promote your idea to them. Just imagine the impact on your idea if you appeared on Jimmy Kimmel Live, The Tonight Show, The Late Show, The Oprah Winfrey Show, The Ellen DeGeneres Show, Shark Tank, or Dragon's Den. The support of any influencer can dramatically accelerate broad adoption of your idea. The second impactor is being an inspiring speaker. As a difference maker, every chance you get to describe your idea to an audience is precious. You must take full advantage of each of these rare opportunities. To do so, you must be able to speak in a way that inspires and activates your audiences. With this skill, you can electrify a room. You can transfer knowledge and you can unlock empathy. With this skill, you can promote a shared dream. With this skill, you can inspire influencers and you can activate early adopters. Speaking to inspire and activate is the most challenging form of public speaking. Fortunately, it is a learnable skill. Here I need to declare a conflict of interest. My company, Get Inspired Talks, provides skill training in this area. For a course outline, go to the URL you see on the slide and click on the course called How to Speak to Inspire and Activate Audiences. At this URL, you'll also find a free PDF called Building Blocks for Scripts that Activate Audiences. This PDF will help you construct a script with proven building blocks that inspire and activate. Let's now get back to our 7 impactors. The third impactors is that you are nuclear. The fire inside you makes you passionately committed to your idea. You can't stop thinking about how it might serve you and humanity. This fire makes you unstoppable. You can walk through walls. With it, you have a fighting chance of making the difference that you want to make in the world. Without this fire, you're dead in the water. The fourth impactor is being healthy. The challenge of rolling out your idea, inspiring influencers, and activating a large number of early adopters is a Herculean task. It is a marathon, not a sprint. It demands that you be physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually in great shape for extended periods. The fifth impactor is being an authentic content expert in your domain. Your expertise has 2 sources, academic and experiential, and ideally you have both. Academically, a graduate degree or higher works well. Experientially, you must have extensive frontline, boots-on-the-ground experience with the problem that your idea addresses. The 6th impactor is being an action taker. You live your mission and you don't pontificate. You walk your talk. Your forward movement inspires others. You are the embodiment of passion for successful change. You take a stand. Wishy-washy people don't lead or launch movements. Action takers are difference makers. The seventh and final impactor is being disciplined. On your difference-making journey, you'll experience setbacks, diversions, and distractions. A coach or accountability partner can help you stay on track. So too can a mission, vision, values, and goals. Your disciplined execution of these goals will help you build and maintain momentum and preserve your precious resources. This completes my thoughts on the third of the 4 drivers that determine if you and your idea will make the difference you want to make in the world. In the next video, I'm going to examine the 4th of these 4 drivers, your resources. Now, 3 action steps, please. First, share this video with people in your life who have an idea that could help humanity, but they're not doing anything with it. What a waste. Second, in the comments section below, suggest other things that you might do to boost your impact. Third, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so and click the notification bell so you'll be informed when I upload the next video. Until then, Roger and out.